Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your computer mouse does not appear to be allowing you to double click or it's not functioning. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it guys. Click on view by two large icons and you just need to select the mouse and in buttons tab double click speed the folder to test your setting. If the folder does not open or close, try using a slower setting. This pointer you just need to adjust it guys by your preferences. Adjust it, and before saving changes you just need to check by double click on it guys. Double click on a folder or anything like that. Click lock is unchecked over here guys. Turn on click lock. You just need to uncheck it guys. If in our computer that is turned on, after doing it change this by your preferences and slow or speed. In my case I am adjusted to the fifth number of the fast guys. 1 2 3 4 5 one selected to the fifth number of before the fast and select apply and OK for save changes guys, and hopefully your problem will be resolved. By adjusting this your problem will be resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.